Hello guys, this is Marinel Flores, Sales Consultant ng Mitsubishi Motors, Pic Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. So for today's video guys, malalaman natin kung ano nga ba ang mga freebies na pwede nyong makuha once you avail the Montero Sport GLX Manual 2025. So our Burmans promo ay nagkakahalaga lang ng 30k worth of freebies para sa ating Montero. And once you avail, free nyo lang po makukuha lahat yan at nakaset up na din ang ating Montero Sport. And pwede natin siyang i-upgrade into Black Series din guys kung gusto nyo. And for only 31,994 monthly for 60 months. And guys, zero down payment din ang ating Montero Sport GLX. At
Kung isa ka sa nangangarap na magkaroon ng SUV, baka ito na yung para sa'yo. Makakatipid ka na dahil wala ka nang ilalabas na down payment para sa ating Montero. Dahil ang ating Montero Sport ay zero down payment lang. Plus, mas makakatipid ka din dahil ang ating Montero Sport ay may mga standard freebies na makukuha nyo. Gaya na lamang ng mating, tint, early warning device, seat cover, set of tools, free 3 years LTO registration, 3 years comprehensive insurance, and also free PMS Plus 1,000 km to 20,000 km, free labor worth of 20,000, factory rust proofing, and at syempre, meron din akong ibibigay na exclusive freebies. Kabilang na dyan ang GT spoiler, Bosch horn, rain visor, hood emblem, HD dashcam, side step seal, cargo trunk tray, Mitsubishi umbrella, tailpipe finisher, Mitsubishi keychain, CF steering wheel cover, and also pre-swap to two-tone mugs or Black Series mugs. So yun guys, kung naging interesado po kayo sa aking mga promo freebies, just call or text me on my Viber and WhatsApp on 0939-530-1720 or just message me on my FB page, Marinel's Best Deals Abad Santos by Marinel Flores. Take note guys, meron tayong additional na 15,000 for white diamond color and price may change without prior notice and provincial charge not included. The monthly payment varies based on the approval bank. Thank you!
So yun guys, I'm Marinel Flores again. And sa mga gusto pong mag-avail, just call me 0939-530-1720. At kung pupunta naman po kayo dito sa aming branch, hanapin nyo lang po ako. And dito po sa Mitsubishi Pic Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. Thank you for watching. Bye!